Hi, Jeanette. I wanted to show you a couple of things if you could tweak it in the weeks that you built out. I'll show you in BAM300 the first thing that I'm looking at. If you could go back to each week and do this for me. Here we are at the top of week 1. And when you come down, see how it says read chapter 2? Well, when you click on chapter 2, I count the starting page as well, so just click through. So this would be page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. So I count all of these case studies and everything at the back. So we're going to go back in the course, click edit, and then we'll go up to the top where it said read chapter 2, and this is where we're going to insert how many pages it is. So the nomenclature that we use is, we just put it in parentheses, it was 30 pages. I already went in and looked at the exact name of the discussion board, and I added it. We put space dash space, the name of it, and then the same thing with the name of the assignment, and I made sure study time was here. The PowerPoint already had the slides indicated, which is great. The case studies are listed. Everything else in week 1 looks fine. So let me scroll down and save it. Now, if you listed that there are flashcards, see, we're in week 1 right here. So what I'd like you to do, please, is go to the bottom of the week, put the flashcards down here, and then also they should be in the resource area. And I believe that the only flashcards I saw were for chapter 2. Like you just built weeks 5 and 6 and you listed flashcards, but they're not uploaded anywhere. So let's look at week 2 and see what needs to be done. If you could go in and please put the name of the discussion board. It'd be space dash space, name of the discussion board. Take away the word graded, put the name of the assignment. Go down to chapter 6, click and count how many pages, put in parentheses how many pages there are. If there are flashcards for this chapter, which I imagine there are, please put them, you can put them under lab simulation because that's practice or homework, either way, but do it the same for each week, please. Put it down at the bottom of the week, and then again also in the resource area. Let's look at week 3. Week 3 I already did. I put the pages, I put the name, and we have a quiz, and then I added study time because that was missing. Week 4 is the current week right now, so you can see that's in there. Chapter 8 pages need to be counted and added. But I wanted to show you and add the flashcards, please. I was looking at week 5 that you built, so of course you can come up here and add those things, add the flashcards. I don't know that we're going to do chapter 9 as a quiz because we had a quiz in week 3 and we'll have a final exam. So if you could please change the week 5 quiz to practice and set it to practice in MindTap. The other thing is when you come down and look, you can see that I came back and bolded some of the definitions, but some of this is really wordy. We need to get rid of that blue star, the footnote. You can see that I try and come in and bold any of the case studies that we pointed out. All of these plus signs need to be deleted, please. They're usually under the photos, so just go in, delete that, delete the little footnote, the blue asterisk. And then when you come down, like when it's talking about a salary survey, I usually make bold the exact definition. There's another plus sign to get rid of, another plus sign. And then this is really wordy, so, kind of read through it and see if you can pare that down at all. Then add the flashcards down here and count the number of pages in the reading. You can even put the number of pages next to this because it lets the students know as well. So let's also look at week 6, same kinds of things, just making sure that everything's the same. So I didn't know if you were going to look for videos for week 6 because I see up here there's only this video, but I don't know, that's a photo. There are no videos for here. I do like how you highlighted things and made them bold. I don't know if there's anything you can pare down out of here. Again, that's bolded. I like that. And there's 43 slides. So let's go see. So I think you were going to write a discussion for week 6. And what we do on this survey, if you come to the edit button, I click, I don't want it to display everything. And then I save that. So let's go make sure the end of course survey is put up here as, so we would put number of pages in chapter 11. We're going to add videos. The name of the discussion board activity after you write it. Add the flashcards. I don't want these to be assignments. Please make these practice and make sure in MindTap that they are only practice. And then this is fine, this is fine, study time is fine. So really just the videos, add flashcards to all weeks, fix the top, do a discussion board for this week, please. And then I will go through and find the quiz questions. Typically for the week 3 quiz, I find information from weeks 1, 2, and 3. For the final, I find information from weeks 4, 5, and 6, and maybe a couple of really important topics from the previous weeks to get 25 questions. So that's everything for BAM300.